नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज आप सबका स्वागत एक ऐसे दिन जिस दिन की हम सबको इंतजार था। आज का जो दिन है ये हमारी सबकी जिंदगी का एक यादगार दिन रहेगा। आप सबकी मेहनत, आप सबका सपना, आज वो वक्त आ गया है कि आर नेटवर्क के माध्यम से हमारे सबके वो सपने पूरे हों जो हमने सजाए। मैं आप सब लोगों का धन्यवाद करता हूं आर नेटवर्क पे विश्वास करने का, हमारे विजन के साथ रहने का और पेशेंस रखने का। आइए हम सब मिलके अपने परिवार की और अपनी जिंदगी में एक ऐसा बदलाव लेके आए जो यादगार रहे और एक ऐसा इतिहास रचें कि हिंदुस्तान में हर इंसान जाने कि आर नेटवर्क क्या कर सकती है। अब इस कंपनी की जान, इस कंपनी की शान, इस कंपनी का हृदय, मैं मिस्टर ट्रेंट वॉकर सीईओ को आमंत्रित करता हूं कि वो आप सबके बीच में आए।
Hello everyone, Trent Walker, Chief Executive Officer of rNetwork. I want to be the first one to welcome you, along with my wife.
Good evening.
To the rNetwork family and community. What a monumentous day. We're so proud of every one of you and we want to congratulate you today. It's the first day of an opportunity and incredible journey for all of us. We couldn't be more excited. We couldn't be happier. Today is the day that we join together and get to the top together. Again, congratulations. And I want to turn it over to Mr. Roger Taylor, Chief Marketing Officer.
Hello, Roger Taylor here, and my lovely wife, Jennifer. We are so excited to have you as a part of the rNetwork community. It's been an adventure so far, but the real adventure is about to begin for you and your families as we work together to make all of our lives extraordinary.
Hey, India. Welcome to the rNetwork family.
Turn it over to Troy Muhlstein, Chief Commercial Officer.
Hello, India. Troy Muhlstein, Chief Commercial Officer, my beautiful wife, Julie. Let us also welcome you to the rNetwork family. Hello, India. Welcome. Hey, we've had a lot of things going on. We've been working crazy hard, and I know you have too. Let me be the first or in a line of people to say thank you. Thank you for everything you've done. We're so happy and we're so blessed to have India as part of our family. We've got some unbelievably exciting things going on. We're excited to build with you. Matter of fact, how about let's build something great together? I'm honored to turn the time over to Mr. Luke Epps.
Hello, everybody. First of all, thank you for being here. We are so excited, and we've waited a while for this day. It's finally here, and we could not be more happy. On behalf of my wife, Yvette, and our family, and the rest of the family here in our network headquarters, we want to welcome you and officially tell you that you are part of the rNetwork family, and we're going to have a wonderful, amazing journey together. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now, I'd like to turn the time over to Mr. Kevin Wiscombe.
Hello, India. Hey, we are so excited to have you guys here. I'm Kevin. This is my beautiful wife, Reese. Again, we're one of a long line that's going to thank you for your hard work. We are so excited about what the future holds for us in India. We're thrilled that you guys are part of part of the rNetwork family. And at this point, I want to introduce the US-based staff that's going to be helping you guys take this to the next level. Come on, guys. Hello, India. Dave Dove, Executive Vice President Sales, and welcome to the family.
J Mac, Head of Technology. Welcome, India.
Heather, Head Front-End Developer. Michaelin, Customer Service. Welcome, India.
Chris Loke, Head of UX UI.
Delwyn Davenport, Head of Creative Services. Welcome. Jason Muth, Global Business Process Owner.
Richard Smith and Susan, we are so excited about everything that's happened in India, the power that's coming from India. Hopefully we can show the power coming back to you. We are so excited about what we can do together. And with that, I'd like to now turn the time over to the Chief Revenue Officer, Mr. John McKillop.
Good evening, India. Congratulations. This day is finally here. I know this countdown was going for a while, and we finally made it here to the starting line. And I just want to say thank you so much for your belief and your commitment to our network. Now, as each of you know, Today is a very historic day, and I personally cannot wait to be there in person in India with you once this pandemic ends. Now, as we launch today, you're going to find yourself in a moment of time that we're never going to be at again. And I'd ask you to please remember this. A day today is like 30 days a year from now. That means the activities that you're doing today will count for 30 days a year from right now. So what I suggest you do is look at, as we open here, look at India for the next 12 months as a sprint. Imagine the possibilities if you take this business, if you do what I call all out massive action. And I'm looking forward to seeing one of you at the top.
यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं खुद पे हमें नाज है जाने ना हमको ये जमाना चाहो तो हमको आजमाना यार बाज हम जान साज हम इश्क बाज दिल वाले कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले यूं तो सीधे बड़े कभी चाहे तो हाथों से लेते लकीरें चुरा ओ हमको परवाह नहीं जो भी कहता है कहने दे जग ये भला या बुरा जैसी भी मर्जी हो हमारी करते हैं ऐसी होशियारी पर दिल से यार जो ले पुकार तो जान सार कर डाले कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले
Go girl. Bye everyone.